I'm here with Miles. Can you say where your outfit is from?
This is from Nike, uh, Old Navy, Jordan, and this shirt's from Old Navy as well.
All right, thank you. I'm here with Jack and Soph. Where are your guys' sweatstay outfits from?
My outfit's entirely from Amazon.
My shirt is from Target, my pants are from PacSun, and my shoes are Nike.
Thank you.
Hey there, Maroons. I'm here with
Joaquin Antizano.
Walk. What do you do?
So I'm the mascot for Delling, the Maroon Leprechaun.
Awesome. And what are you most excited for this season?
I feel like this season's going to be great. I know we're going to make it to the Dome, so I'm really excited for that. And I just can't wait to see what this team's capable of. So just following them around is going to be really fun. So
Let's go, Maroons.
yeah, let's go.
You can hear she's a beautiful girl, she's a beautiful girl.
Hi, I'm here with.
Amelia Cressy.
Julia Shoop.
Can you guys show us your USA outfits?
Amazon.
What's your name though?
Alexandra Hamilton. Made by me. America. I'm Uncle Sam.
Thanks. Hi, I'm here with.
Lee.
Lee, can you do a quick spin of your overalls? Cute. Hi, I'm here with.
Avery. Sloan.
Can you guys show us your overalls?
Yeah, this is the front. Front and back.
Wow, thanks.
I'm here with a couple freshmen. What did you guys sign up for at the activities fair?
I signed up for People for People.
I signed up for FFA.
I signed up for the pickleball club. Thank you guys. What's your name and what did you sign up for from the activities fair?
My name's Abe Johnson. I signed up for Freedom, Students for Life, and the Investment Club.
I'm Walker, and I signed up for Huddle and Student Investment Fund.
Thank you.
Welcome back, Maroons. Let's go meet some of the new teachers in our building this year. Hey everyone, I'm here with
Is Timish.
And Miss Jenkins.
How long have you guys been teaching for?
I have been teaching for 5 years, and this is my first year at Dowling Catholic.
This is my first year teaching here at Dowling.
Miss Timish, where'd you teach before this then?
I taught at Southeast Polk Junior High before this.
Okay. What classes are you guys teaching this year?
I am teaching American Literature and English 9, and then in the spring I'll also teach English 11.
I am teaching psychology and U.S. history this semester.
What's something you guys are looking forward to with this new school year?
I am looking forward to getting to know all of my students. I think it's great to get to know you guys.
I'm also super excited to get to know everybody and do some fun experiments in psychology.
And lastly, what's a fun fact about you guys?
My husband also teaches here. He's Mr. Hoover in the band room.
My fun fact is that I have a dog who's 15 years old.
Perfect. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Hey everyone, I'm here with
Mr. Mullenback.
All right, how long have you been teaching for?
This is my first week, so first year teaching, yes.
What classes are you teaching this year?
Algebra 1 and Geometry.
What's something you're looking forward to this year?
Meeting all of my students and great coworkers. Yeah!
Yeah! Okay, and lastly, what's the fun fact about you?
Okay, fun fact. I'm still dating my girlfriend from high school. So everyone watching,
Oh,
everyone
high school
watching,
sweethearts! We love high school sweethearts!
everyone watching, look to your left, look to your right, and say, I might be dating you in 8 years.
Ooh!
I'm not saying you have to. This just is a possibility. I'm just throwing that out there.
That's a great fun fact. Thanks, Mr. Mullenbach.
Thank you.
All right, hey everyone, I'm here with
Dr. Jared Mine in Yoakum.
All right, how long have you been teaching for?
This is my first year teaching.
What classes are you teaching this year?
I'm teaching biology and chemistry.
What's something you're looking forward to with this school year?
I'm looking forward to teaching kids what moles are and get them excited about science.
And lastly, what's a fun fact about you?
I have a self-sustaining garden at home that I share all the vegetables with my neighbors.
Ooh, that's a good fun fact. Thank you, though.
Yeah.
Study hard and go say hi to the new teachers.
The annual St. Joseph's Fall Project will take place on Sunday, October 5th at Big Creek State Park near Polk City, Iowa. This year's service project will involve students removing invasive species from selected areas of the park with assistance of DNR personnel on site.
The workday will run from 1 to 4 p.m., giving students 3 service hours. Students in grades 9 through 12 are invited to participate. Any students participating must have a parent permission slip signed and returned to Deacon Heinrich, room 804, and Mr. Rolfe, room 104.
Permission slips are paper copies which can be picked up from Mr. Rolfe or Deacon Heinrich's room. Anyone participating must find transportation to the park, and maps will be available the week before. With any questions, please contact Deacon Heinrich or Mr. Rolfe.
La-di-da, la-di-dum, 'tis autumn.
Hi, I'm here with
Colin Mitchell.
Thomas Cladeville. Are you guys excited for the football season?
Yes.
For sure. What do you think is your favorite football theme this year?
Whiteout.
Probably Neon Out. Hi, I'm here with.
Officer Matt Granzo.
Are you excited for the football game this week?
As always, yes.
What football theme are you most looking forward to?
I would say the superhero because I'm excited to see people wear capes and come up with creative names for superheroes.
That's a great choice. Thank you.
My pleasure. Go Dowling.
I'm here with some freshmen. What are your names and what theme are you most excited for?
Lily and Pink Out. Ailani and Superhero.
My name is Ryan Schumacher, and I'm excited for the beach out.
My name is Lavelle Solange, and I'm excited for the Pink Out.
I'm Colin, and I'm most excited for Beach Out.
My name's Patrick. My favorite theme was Whiteout.
My name is Noah. I'm most excited for Pink Out.
Hi, I'm here with.
Coach O'Neill.
What do you teach?
I teach health and leadership.
Are you excited for the football season?
Pumped. Let's do it.
What theme are you most excited for?
Beach Out. I wear my Key West sweatshirt today, so, just kind of fits right in.
I'm here with some freshmen. What are your names?
I'm Joe. I'm Xander.
Are you guys excited for the football season?
Yes. Yeah.
What theme are you most excited for?
Probably USA Out. USA Out.
Hi, what's your name and grade?
Ava, and I'm a senior.
Liv, and I'm a senior.
Julia, and I'm a senior.
Are you guys excited for this football season?
Of course.
yes.
Absolutely.
Oh, yeah. What theme are you most looking forward to?
Beach Out.
Superhero Out.
USA Out.
I'm here with.
Bruce.
What grade are you in, and what's your favorite thing you did this summer?
Well, I'm a junior in high school, and my first thing, I met Kevin Durant, Tim Cook, Donald Trump, and I went to Harvard, take a summer course. I went to Salt Lake City, Orlando, Boston, New York, Atlanta, Greenville. I don't really know, too much.
I'm here with Maddie, and I'm a senior. And how was your summer?
I played lots of tennis and hung out with lots of friends.
And how's your season going?
It's going very well.
Okay, I'm here with a few sophomores. What is your guys' names, and then what's the best thing you did this summer?
My name is Tem, and I went on vacation.
My name is Leo, and my favorite thing this summer was hanging out with my boy Preston.
My name is Preston, and I went to DC this summer.
I'm here
Thank
with
you.
Lucy.
And what grade are you in?
I'm a freshman.
And can you give us a little recap of your summer?
This summer I went to Portugal.
I'm here with.
Bill Barrios.
And can you give us a little recap of your summer?
Yeah, the summer was 10 weeks of summer cleaning. We had all of this going on with the 500 hallway. This is what it looked like during construction. There was no ceiling, not even any carpet. But today we're very blessed to have a wonderful new 3 classrooms, and very, very blessed to going into my 15th year here at Dowling Catholic.